I believe that what is needed here is a full and open hearing with all relevant testimony presented. One consequence of failing to do that affects the whole status of the court. As the founders said, the court does not have an army. They really rely on public opinion. And if there are tainted justices in one way or another, that tends to decrease the acceptance that the public will give to court rulings, and I think that's very bad for the country. In the Watergate hearings, what we did was we had counsel for the committee ask a few preliminary questions just to set the stage, which I don't think is necessary here. Watergate was far more complicated. Then the questions were asked, and the Democrats asked questions, the Republicans asked questions, and I think on the whole it was enormously successful hearings because the public relied on the integrity of the senators to get to the truth of the matter. And I think it would be a mistake not to have the senators whose job it is and who have, to my knowledge, always ask the questions, not do it here. I think each senator should be required to, or given the opportunity to ask questions of the witnesses so that the truth will come out that way. They're going to have to vote. They shouldn't hide behind counsel, which was not the case in Watergate and certainly not the case in other confirmation hearings. We have an independent judiciary, a life term which is very unusual and perhaps should be reviewed. But it is important that those voting on his nomination and those people who are interested have an opportunity to understand what this person is like, the very essence of this person, to Judge Kavanaugh, before he is instituted or made a member of the United States Supreme Court with perhaps 30 or more years of tenure facing him.